Pingol and Jo Marie Tahona is the fourth man. We are under. Takbo ang Batangas. MJ De La Virgen from long range.
That shot came all the...
He'll try again, MJ. Yes, sir.
That time, less space para kay MJ De La Virgen.
Here's Reverente. Caballero for three. Yes, sir.
It's been a point guard shootout to start the ball game.
Two covers. Victoria, corner three. Too strong. Rebound. Reverente. Nahanap si Victoria for the deuce.
Victoria getting the first 2-point basket here.
Assertive, as we have already seen at the start of this game. So Delphonits.
Thank you so much, Mika. And Patrick Sleet knocks down the three over Ced Ablaza. Binigay kay Ablaza. Ramirez, shot clock down to 2. Two-man game, and Ced Ablaza finishes.
This is one side.
RJ. Ced Ablaza, yes.
That's the space that Batangas plays with every game.
Ablaza leads to a turnover. RJ Ramirez, drop pass. Ced, wala. Isa pa? Okay.
Maybe not an assist para dito kay Ramirez, but he was the one that started.
Jexter Apinan drives left, kicks it out to Ablaza. Ablaza gets away from Reverente and scores.
Don Reverente tried to go for it.
Goes behind the back, goes to the middle. Binigay kay Salenga. Reverente, touch pass to Inigo. Will fire and hit.
Specialty of the house para dito kay Axel Inigo.
11. Ramirez. Down low to Porter. The fadeaway. Yes, sir.
I've seen that from Ateneo Jr.
No good.
Last possession time para dito.
Reverente with the steal. Don deep inside the paint, and he scores.
Could have been last shot time para
Inigo. Ramirez again. That time, he sinks the three.
Second time's the charm para dito kay Ramirez. Looks like...
That ball tapped away by Arim. Batangas on the run. Levy Hernandez with a stretch.
What a tough finish para kay Levy Hernandez. So far, the threes of Levy Hernandez are quite a little tight here to start the ball game. 0 for 2.
And Patrick Sleet puts it in for 2.
Strong hard attack coming.
Coach Olsen na nagpapalakas eh. Si LA Casinillo.
Okay. Really giving them enough. Warren Bonifacio still struggling in this ball game. Has 6 rebounds, but still 0 points. And on the other end, quick break. Running.
Depensa ng Batangas here. Reverente to Caballero in rhythm. Yes!
That's gonna give bonus para dito kay Caballero. Isang wala lang, hindi ba pagod?
Sleet with 3 to shoot. Reverente, corner 3. Yes!
Parang narinig tayo, parang sinabi, kaya ko ba? Hindi lang ako depensa, pang open.
Use your head. Outsmarting them would be key to winning. So Delphonits.
Thank you so much, Mika. And that time, Victoria outsmarting the D
of Rudy Linganay.
And so far, solid naman itong si MJ. 104 Pasay, Batangas 0 for 5. Make that 2 for 5 for Pasay. Valoria to Ablaza, got the step against Hilario, and he will get an and-one opportunity.
I saw the foot up there.
Ablaza well defended. Ochea, wala pa rin. And Jexter Apenan prevails. Liero. Finds Aguirre. Yes, Daniel Aguirre. Nakakapasok lang. De La Virgen swings it over to Ced. Three-pointer is good.
That double high has been a staple in the offense. Just rush that shot.
De La Virgen, Ablaza, another 3. Same result.
Same play, same result, different side.
To Levy Hernandez. Valoria gets it back. Levy is free. Levy will fire and he will hit.
And out of nowhere now, Batangas easy inside shots, forcing all of the shots coming from the outside para dito sa Pasay.
And Jong Valoria breaking down the D and scoring
with around 8 minutes left in the ball game.
Look at Bonifacio gets his first bucket of the ball game.
Oh, he has that shot, but against a veteran-laden team.
Inigo. Bonifacio for 3. That's good. Oh, Warren Bonifacio.
He's the player of the week.
Behind the back, Arim Cruz. Ramirez from the corner. That's good. And the foul to boot.
He was ready for that shot off.
Gets it to Lawrence Victoria. Nihingi ni Warren ang bola against Mark Cruz. Warren, jumper is good. 8 straight points para kay Warren Bonifacio.
Stopped for them to recover from this ball game.
And ito na nga, papasok na si Ced Ablaza. Nice bounce pass inside. Mark Cruz, strong finish.
RJ Ramirez.
Inigo to Victoria, open 3, that's good.
Up and down game we're having here.
To 45. Ramirez, great pass to Porter on the turnaround shot.
Composed.
Remaining. Here's Jexter.
Ooh, could have been a travel.
Levy. Oh, what a shot. And gives a sign there of ice in his veins. Bonifacio trying to answer. He does.
What a quarter by Warren Bonifacio. All of his points coming here in the fourth.
Keanu Caballero. Inside. Reverente goes to the other side.
Same result. Still 2 points.
Sleet. Bonifacio. Caballero. Great ball movement. And Lawrence Victoria knocks down the 3.
What ball movement left from his favorite spot, the corner.
3-point lead. Apinan will lay it in for 2.
Good fake handoff by Jexter Apinan.
A stop. Here's Jong Baloria. Said Ablaza got the step. Ablaza, wala. Ochea on the putback.
Now these are the 3 guys that will really have a lot of offensive rebounding activity.
Ochea ang nakabantay sa kanya ngayon. Here's Bonifacio. Quick trigger. That's off the glass and in.
That looked off.
40. Warren makes his move. Steal by Valoria. Apinan drives. Apinan scores.
What a substitution. CJ eats it fresh.
Kick out. Inigo for 3. Wala. Rebound. Lawrence Victoria finds Sleet underneath and he scores.
It's a good line coming from
Rebound. Ochea. Nabitawan ng bola. Sleet has to fire. Sleet knocks it down.
Huge 3 by Patrick Sleet.
5 seconds remaining. Lawrence makes his move. Lawrence fires. Tough shot. Oh! Oh my goodness. Lawrence Victoria with 4/10 of a second remaining.
What a tough shot. Lawrence Victoria trying to get that win para dito sa Voyagers. 31 big points for Pasay in the 4th.
And he was looking at that bench. Yung kanyang katawan papunta doon sa bench and somehow turns around. Arim to Apinan. That will do it.